You got to get it back here, Adam.
Bring it back. He's freaking loud. I need some love.
I do too.
Hey, guess what?
He got it!
Bam!
Okay, where did it kill it? Oh, it broke the freaking wing, huh?
You know, I didn't really want you to shoot it like that because I was trying to get it. I couldn't control it anymore.
We didn't get to play with it though. God dang it. Oh! No wonder you couldn't control it. Hold on.
Yeah. Of all places to shoot it, Andrew, that was the spot I didn't want it shot. That right there is that's the money of the plane. That right there is $50. That's $50 right there.
Fly the other one, Adam.
I'll give you the money.
Fly the other one.